squid boats have been out for 2 weeks already. They're out there every night digging out squid. So today I went and I bought squid. And they're just gorgeous little squids like this. And I'm stuffing them with the tentacles, a little bit of whatchamacallit, a little bit of onions, a little bit of this, and a little bit of that. I'll tell you how it's going. Oh, and then I'm going to bake them. Should be good.
Wow, excellent.
Yes. Okay, the stuffing, the squid heads. First of all, I had to put the bone out of there, whatever that thing is. And I took the heads and I chopped them up, and with garlic, onions, and I'd say about 4 heads of not broccoli. What's the green stuff that we always have here?
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Yes. Then in here, so the oven is ready to go. Once I'm going to bake them. And here, this is just this here is onions, a sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, and some peas.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And the oven is up at 250. And these puppies are going to go on here and get baked. Bacon.
Bacon or grilled? Grilled.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Like they say in Italy. Bacon. And then I just scored them a little bit like this. The squid. Look how nice they look.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Like they say in Italy, bacon, not baked, bacon. They go in there. And I got it at 250 Celsius, very high. So it just crisps up so nice.
Nice. Beautiful.
I tried the squid.
How was it?
Oh, fantastic. Are you eating it right now?
I'm trying the squid right now.
Here we are. Here we are sitting with $1 million view and eating fresh squid that was caught today. Or no, last night. Sorry.
Yes, and you have been videoing the squid boats.
Yeah. Oh,
all
yeah.
this time.
We have a
Been
story.
Watching them, and there's a beautiful story.
Oh, we have a story to tell.
So,
Yes.
and now, like yesterday, there were 41 squid boats, and now how many?
Well, right now there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
It's
14.
amazing. Like they
About
never-
18 out there right now.
Sometimes there's 41, and the next day there's 10.
And Lay.
Your friend Lay,
Yeah.
the fishmonger at the fish. Where
He was
bought-
totally out.
Pardon?
He was totally out of squid.
Already.
Yeah. So
Oh
then
my
he
God.
chased me
At
to.
noon?
Yeah. So he introduced me to the lady next door to him.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, and she got it all ready for me. It was
my
perfect.
goodness.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't do them all tonight, but I bought 4 giant prawns. They're bigger than your hand and bigger than my hand. They're at least 6 to 8 inches long and huge.
so we'll definitely
So I'm going to
feature them tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm going
or
to
the
bake
next
them
day.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes, but look at this. Look at